Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make an eye shape in Cinema 4D. First thing we're going to do is click up here where our splines are. We click and hold, keep holding, select arc by scrolling over arc, then on click over arc. And second thing we do, go to our rotation tool, click and hold the z-axis, which will be the blue circle. Click and hold and click on shift and click and hold shift, and now we can rotate in increments of 10. We're going to rotate it to 40 degrees, release, and down here in our properties we bump that up to 45. We could have done this directly here, but I always keep forgetting which axis I need to rotate it. So go back to our move tool, click on your arc, we go into radius. What you can do, you can either use your scale tool to increase the size, or you can use the radius tool to increase the size. But I think I should probably leave it like this for now, and then we can scale everything up together. Now to complete this arc, to make it the eye shape, I'm going to go here to the array, click and hold, and click on symmetry. You grab your arc, drop it into symmetry, and nothing has seemed to happen. Nope, nothing happened. Click on symmetry. Under your mirror plane, you click XZ, and there is our arc. Now click on your arc, ensure your move tool is selected, and push your arc down. And yep, that is good enough for me. If you so desire, you can zoom in on your eye shape, ensure that the two arcs are touching, but I'm not really too bothered about it, so I'll leave it like this for now. And ta-da, you have your eye shape. You may click on your symmetry and move everything up. Also with the symmetry selected, you can scale everything up. This is pretty neat. Now let's add some, well, we can't add any textures to this because this is just splines. If I click on render, black screen. So to ensure that I can actually put some textures on this shape, I'm going to click on the whole subdivision surface, scroll over to loft, and unclick. We're going to grab our symmetry. The symmetry contains the arc. Grab the symmetry and drop it into loft. And there we have it. Please note that extrude would not have worked. So to show you that, extrude, drop the symmetry into extrude, and we have extruded on our z-axis, but we haven't filled the negative space within the shape. And let me see what would happen if I drop this extrude with the symmetry into the loft. Nothing. Nothing useful. Remove the extrude, drop the symmetry into loft, and ta-da! There you have it. Now you can add textures to your loft object, and your eye shape will become solid. You can render it. Ooh! Okay, wow. Did not account for that line there. Right. Sorry about that. So the line that you saw going down the length, going down the width of the eye was because that the two arcs were not perfectly symmetrical, as in they were not touching. So if I had done this and I had zoomed in, whoops, let me just, right. So our two our two arcs were not touching. That's why you had the line through it. That line was actually negative space. So since it was nothing, you could have seen the background through the shape. So if you don't want your line, if you don't want that line, ensure that these two pieces are touching. You have to go all the way up and zoom. Okay, well, mine are overlapping a bit, but it's fine. Wouldn't even notice. And that's how you make an eye shape in Cinema 4D. You create an arc, rotate it to negative 45 degrees on the x-axis, put your arc spline into a symmetry, NURBS, I believe it's called. Move your arc to ensure that your reflection touches at the edge so you don't see a line through your eye shape. And then to fill your eye shape, drop it into a loft. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Bye.